Welcome back to my English channel. In this chapter, we will talk about more ways to improve your English. Learning a new language takes time, but with the right methods, it becomes easier. One great way to practice is by reading in English. Reading helps you learn new words and understand grammar better. Start with easy books like children's stories or short articles. As you get better, you can read longer books. I remember when I started reading in English. It was difficult at first, but I kept going. Slowly, I could understand more and more. So, start reading in English. It will help you improve a lot. Another tip is to watch movies or videos in English. Watching helps you hear how words are used and how people speak. You can start with simple movies or shows. Turn on the subtitles if you need help. This way, you can understand what is happening and learn new words. I loved watching cartoons in English when I was learning. They were fun and easy to understand. After watching, I could use new words in my own sentences. So, try to watch things in English. It's a fun way to learn. You can also listen to podcasts or songs in English. Listening helps you get used to the sounds of the language. It helps you understand how words are said and helps with your pronunciation. You can listen to podcasts about topics you like. You can also listen to music and try to sing along. I listened to many songs when I was learning English. Sometimes I tried to understand the lyrics. Other times, I just sang for fun. Listening and singing help me remember words. So, listen to English music or podcasts. They help you learn in a fun way. Speaking in English is very important. It's okay to make mistakes when you speak. The more you speak, the better you get. You can speak with a friend, a teacher, or even by yourself. I used to talk to myself in English. It felt strange at first, but it helped me improve. You can practice speaking in front of a mirror, or you can record your voice and listen to it. Speaking often will help you get better, so don't be afraid to speak. Another tip is to learn new words every day. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to speak and understand English. You can start by learning 5 new words each day. Write them down and try to use them in your sentences. I learned new words by reading and listening. Each time I saw or heard a new word, I would write it down. I tried to use it in a sentence that day. Learning new words every day helped me grow my vocabulary quickly. So, try to learn new words each day. It will make you feel more confident. It's also a good idea to keep a vocabulary notebook. In this notebook, you can write down new words and their meanings. You can add examples of how the words are used. This way, you can go back and review the words whenever you want. I had a vocabulary notebook when I was learning. I would write the new words I learned and try to use them in my daily conversations. This helped me remember them better. So, keep a notebook. It helps you remember new words. Don't forget to practice grammar, too. Grammar is important because it helps you form correct sentences. You don't need to learn everything at once. Start with the basics. Learn how to make simple sentences first. As you get better, you can learn more difficult grammar rules. I started with simple sentences when I was learning. I practiced saying things like, I like dogs, or she reads books. Later, I learned more about tenses and other grammar rules. So, practice grammar step by step. It will help you speak and write better. One way to practice grammar is to do exercises. You can find grammar exercises online or in books. You can also ask a teacher to help you with grammar. I did many grammar exercises when I was learning. They helped me understand the rules and use them correctly. Doing exercises helped me a lot. So, try to practice grammar every day. Writing in English is another great way to improve. Writing helps you think about grammar and vocabulary. You can start by writing simple sentences. You can also write a short story or keep a journal. I kept a journal when I was learning. Every day I wrote about my day in English. At first my sentences were short, but over time they became longer and better. Writing in a journal helped me a lot. So, write in English. It will help you practice. Sometimes it's good to take a break. Learning can feel tiring. When you feel tired, rest for a while. Take a walk, read something fun, or listen to music. When you feel better, come back to learning. It's important to rest so you don't feel too stressed. I used to take breaks when I felt tired. After a short break, I would feel refreshed and ready to learn again. So, take breaks when you need them. It will help you stay motivated. Another tip is to stay curious. Be interested in learning. The more curious you are, the more you will want to learn. Ask questions when you don't understand something. Search for answers, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. I was always curious when I was learning. I asked many questions and looked for answers. Being curious helped me learn faster. So, stay curious. It will make learning more exciting. Lastly, don't forget to have fun while learning. English can be fun if you find the right ways to practice. Play games, watch movies, or talk to friends. The more fun you have, the easier it becomes. I had a lot of fun when I was learning English. I played word games, watched funny videos, and spoke with my friends. Having fun made learning feel easy and enjoyable. So find fun ways to practice. It will make learning English easier. In this chapter, we learned many ways to improve your English. Reading, watching, listening, speaking, writing, and practicing grammar are all important. But remember, learning a new language takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes. Keep practicing, stay positive, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.
Thank you for watching. See you the next lesson. Chapter 2,